In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a CMC Markets account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then on here you have two choices. You could either start with a demo account over here, or you could start trading right away with a live account. So that's completely up to you. I'm going to show you both ways. If you want a live account, click on Start Trading top right, and then here you want to select your country. So over here, you have to just go through the list here and just select the country you're from. So here I'm just going to do, let's do Finland over here, get started, and then you want to type in your email and you want to type in your password that you want to use. For me, it says the email address is already registered, as you can see, because I have an account already. So of course, for you, you'll be able to type that in, choose a password, and select either CMC platform or MetaTrader 4. That's completely up to you. Then press continue, and you will have to put in some more of your information, and then you will get your account. However, if you want to start with a demo account to see how things are looking and stuff like that, you could go ahead and click on open a demo account over here, and again you'll be able to go through the exact same process, and over here you'll then get your demo account, and your demo account is going to be looking like this over here. As you can see, I have two separate demo accounts over here, and then on your demo account you could go ahead and kind of practice trading, see how CMC Markets platform looks like, and if you like it, you could then go ahead and click on open a live account up top, and then you can go to the application over here on the left hand side, click on apply now, and you'll be able to do it for yourself as well. So that's how to actually open a CMC Markets account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.